This episode, we're going to memorize the stages of aerobic respiration with the help of a quick story. Mnemonic Tales. Cellular aerobic respiration is the metabolic process by which nutrients, normally glucose, are converted into energy in the presence of oxygen. Inputs of glucose and oxygen are used to produce ATP, which is energy, along with water and carbon dioxide as byproducts. 4 major processes are involved. First is glycolysis, which turns glucose into pyruvate. Next is the link reaction, which turns pyruvate into acetyl-CoA, enabling the next step to take place, the Krebs cycle. Also known as the citric acid cycle, the Krebs cycle provides the hydrogen and electrons required for the final step, the electron transport chain, and that's where you get the payoff, because the electron transport chain is where the majority of ATP, energy, is produced. Now a quick story to help you memorize that sequence. Glycolysis. A glass is filled with cola and a lime wedge is placed on the rim. Glass, cola, lime is the substitute for glycolysis. Glass, cola, lime, glycolysis. Extra credit. The key product of glycolysis is pyruvate. Imagine that the glass is taken by a pirate.
Here be the bubbles.
Pirate. Pyruvate. Link reaction. The glass is brought to a film director wearing a pink shirt, who shouts, "Action!"
Action!
Pink action is the substitute for link reaction. Pink action. Link reaction.
Action!
Extra credit. The key product of the link reaction is acetyl-CoA. Imagine that after shouting action, the director sat down in a teal sleigh. A teal sleigh. Acetyl-CoA. Krebs cycle. The scene being filmed begins with a crab riding a tiny bicycle. Crab bicycle is the substitute for Krebs cycle. Crab bicycle. Krebs cycle. Electron transport chain. The crab dismounts from the bike to plug a power cord into an electrical outlet. This powers a miniature train which pulls a chain attached to its trailing end. Electrical train chain is the substitute for electron transport chain. Electrical train chain. Electron transport chain. Extra credit. The electron transport chain produces ATP. So imagine the chain pulls ATP. 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 Now the quick version. A glass of cola with a lime is taken by a pirate to a director in a pink shirt who calls action and sits in a teal sleigh. They film a crab on a bicycle. The crab dismounts and plugs a cord into an electrical outlet that powers a miniature train with a chain attached to it that pulls a teepee. Now practice it on your own. Imagine everything in vivid detail to make it all stick. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned and enjoyed. If you did, hit like, subscribe, and come by for the next one. Take care.